Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the price of Bitcoin is being recovered and the price line is also breaking out a falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. And in today's video, I want to discuss the new targets with you. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. First of all, I would like to begin with this chart that I shared for my members at the Patreon on 11th of October. And I also shared this chart with you as well when the price line of Bitcoin broke out this ascending triangle. And I shared the targets. The first target was $60,000 and second target was $62,500. And you can see that the price line was moving at $57,567. Now I'm going to play the chart and you can see that the price line rallied well, and first it reached the first target that was $60,000 and then crossed up the second target as well and rallied up to $67,000. Right now the price line was moving after this correction. It was moving in this very strong support zone that I have shared in my previous video with you, that we have a very strong resistance zone that starts from $59,470 and goes to $62,940. At that time it was working as a resistance, and after breaking out it was turn into the support, and while retesting, the price line is still moving in this very strong support zone that was working previously as a resistance. And at the same time, the price line has also tested this exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart. That is a really very healthy move for a continuation of the bullish rally, because during a perfect bull run, the price line tests this EMA 21 daily again and again for the continuation of the rally, like the price line has been doing previously, and right now the price line is repeating the same practice. Now if we zoom the chart out, then we can see that on this same daily time frame the price line was forming this head and shoulder pattern. Even the price line formed this head and shoulder pattern, and it is getting bounced by this right shoulder, the neckline under this right shoulder. And once this shoulder would be broken down, then our next target would be, if I place this trend line from this shoulder up to this neckline that we had here at the end of this candlestick, then our next target to the downside would be approximately $50,500. But the price line did not break down this level. You can see we had a long spike, but the price line is not close below this level, and it is having a reversal move. Now if I remove all these trend lines, and I'm just going to place some new trend lines to show you what the price line is doing right now, then we can see here the price line found a resistance. We had a very powerful rejection here, we had another rejection, and we had another rejection here as well. So this was the downtrend line, and by the way, this was the resistance and this was the support, and you can see that we had the formation of a falling wedge pattern. Right now the price line is breaking out this formation of the falling wedge. If I switch to the 4-hourly time frame, then we can see that the price line has been closed above this resistance line, and we are also having a continuation candle as well. On the 4-hourly time frame, the breakout is confirmed, and on the daily time frame, right now the price line is breaking out this resistance, and I'm pretty sure that on the daily time frame we will also have a closing above this resistance of the falling wedge. And you can see the target of the falling wedge is the tail of this falling wedge, that is approximately at $67,000. It means that the price line is going to make another attempt to break out the final resistance, and it can set a new all-time high very soon. But once we will have, this head and shoulder pattern is still not invalidated, once we will have a closing above this level, this right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern, then this head and shoulder pattern will be also invalidated. And I'm expecting that within next few hours this head and shoulder will be also invalidated. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.